Is it recording?
Mug meals. Yes, it's recording.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today we have a really fun video. So the other day, Luke and I were creating something sweet, and I was like, you know what? We should make a mug cake. And Luke was all, what? And this man did not know what a mug cake was. So we had to experience the mug cake. And while I was searching, I found that they could, like, you can make everything in mugs. I found a recipe for chicken pot pie in a mug. It's ridiculous. So today we're going to try mug meals for breakfast and lunch and dinner, if all goes according to plan. So, come along.
I have the power of every household meal in my hands. Theoretically.
We're gonna do one pancake with just the pancake mix and one from scratch because I feel like we need to give it a good test.
No, if this works, I'm going to be very, very happy about this.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. So I have the more advanced one.
Are you trying to tell me that pouring pre-made pancake mix into a measuring cup isn't advanced?
No, of course not. Now you put it in the microwave, mix it up with a fork or a spoon.
That simple?
Yes. Try.
Okie dokie.
Do you think this is easier than actual pancakes?
Well, there's not a pan involved, so it feels slightly blasphemous. Also, there's not a pan involved, so I don't have to wash a pan later.
Okay, and we're also gonna do eggs.
In a mug?
Yes.
Is this sanitary? This whole thing just feels weird. We're making food in mugs.
I know.
We don't have enough mugs for this.
We got my fancy looking mug. It looks really good.
I mean, it's the ugliest darn pancake I ever done seen, but
This is so strange.
I know it feels. I was expecting a soupy mess when I pulled that mug out of the microwave.
So,
But there was a pancake in there, sorta. Sort of. How long does it say to microwave the eggs for?
Okay, our eggs are done all the way through. What?
It's wrong in a mug, the wrong consistency for it to be in a mug, and it's the wrong consistency to be a pancake. It's like some kind of Quasimodo.
We should pray over this.
Yeah.
I'm ready. Let's do it. You look like you like it in spite of yourself. I bet these would be really good as chocolate chip.
Yeah.
Yay or nay on the pancake and mug?
If we're in a rush, I don't mind.
What is going on?
And it's jiggling.
Hot. It doesn't taste like anything. I have a mix.
Oh, salt's hot.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
So basically, eggs in a mug are a win if you're running out of time, you need your belly full, and you just want to taste salsa. It's lunchtime. We're gonna try to make pizza in a mug. Or one of us, I'm not sure which, is having a barbecue chicken pizza. This is weird because you actually make your own dough also.
What now?
Now we're gonna do it.
Don't tell me that's it.
And then we mix it up. What? Don't tell me that's it. What? What's the
problem is, it took all of 2 minutes.
That's not a problem. Why is that a problem?
It feels like wrong.
It just feels wrong, doesn't it? Okay.
It looks like pizza dough.
It looks like pizza dough.
I don't want this to work.
Like there's no, what are you doing?
It's not moving.
Oh my gosh. Don't, what if it dumps out on your face?
It won't. That's the thing.
Okay, I'm gonna put marinara sauce on mine.
Oh gosh.
Luke is having barbecue. I'm doing mine.
Also in the movie
Look
Ace.
at it. It actually, what?
It's pizza adjacent.
I guess I'm mixing mine up too, because I can't not. Right off the bat, the texture's odd. What?
I think I hate it.
Well, you wanted to hate it, didn't you? Oh, you're just gonna give me a bite?
No, here.
Try mine. Here's my fork.
Appreciate it.
Yours is terrible.
This one's better.
Yeah, that one's good. Compared. Oh,
This just tastes like soggy crackers.
this is disgusting, Luke. Ugh.
It's really bad.
That's really bad. I'll take this back, thank you. It's just like bread dipped in a sauce. If it was like 11 o'clock at night, and I just really wanted something savory, I would
Just make a pizza in a mug.
yeah, like really, because a lot of fast things are sweet.
That's
But this
true.
is really
That's
savory,
true.
and it's fast and easy. So we ended up staying for dinner at my mom's house. So it's a new day.
It's a week later.
It's a new week. So I'm just gonna make a little side serving of mac and cheese in a mug while Luke makes sandwiches for us. Luke is heating up sandwich meat. That's why you keep that going. So for this mac and cheese, I'm just gonna take a third of a cup of elbow noodles, a third of a cup of water, some milk, and then the cheese. Oh, you know what I did?
What?
I did that completely badly. So you know what? This is gonna be a total, I should not have put everything in already. So, at a
Let's
state,
just stack the cards against them.
stay tuned.
You take whatever you desire.
So, it exploded. There's cheese everywhere. I'm gonna restart. Okay, just water this time. Are they supposed to be cooked? Cause like, they ain't cooked. But I guess we're just gonna go for this and try it. Okay. Absolutely not done. I don't know what's wrong, but surely this is not how this is supposed to look. It's clumpy. Okay, we're gonna keep working on this. So I'm tired of working on it, so this is what we have. What are your immediate thoughts?
I don't think you want my immediate thoughts.
What's your immediate thoughts? I want them.
It involves babies.
Are you tired?
It's not done.
No, we didn't.
There is no reason to make this mug meal. Oh my gosh.
This is a horrible decision.
This was supposed to be the easy, can't really get it wrong one.
There is no mac. Well, this is mac. There's no cheese. There's just cheese, but it's not mac and cheese.
There is mac and there is cheese, but it's. I wanted so badly for these to work.
Me too.
Toss it. Toss it.
We're done. But it's nasty. No
It's-
mug meals.
No mug meals.
I mean, pancakes, I feel like, okay.
If you don't have any time in the
But
morning,
look
you
at
don't
this
wanna-
mess.
Do I have to?
No, don't. I'm showing them.
I don't want to see it either.
The pizza, I feel like if it's 11 at night and you're just like, I need pizza. And then it's like breadsticks and marinara is basically. It's like,
Yeah.
meh, maybe. Mac and cheese,
Maybe.
don't.
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 That was supposed to be the easy one.
The thing is-
it's mac and cheese in a mug.
Like I cooked that for like 10 minutes. Like it just kept going and going. And by then I could have made it a pot of instant mac and cheese.
Exactly.
That was so bad. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. We will see you next time. And maybe we'll do something less.
adventurous. The pizza shut me down from mug meals for an entire week.
The barbecue is.
I don't want to think about it.
Okay.
Thank you.
See you next
Bye.
time. Bye.